Hi everyone, Merry Christmas. Today it is Christmas Day. Sorry if my voice is a little off. I've been sick for the past week, but I really wanted to film this video. I hope everyone's having a very lovely Christmas. So today I have an unboxing for you, but first, if you're new here, my name's Linda. I do post weekly about fashion, so if you're into that sort of thing, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Let's be friends. Sorry, my energy is there. I swear my voice is just trying to catch up. I kind of sound a little rough right now, but bear with me. Today's video is going to be a super exciting unboxing. So the backstory to this video is that I made like a little wish list on Fashion File, and my husband has access to this wish list, so I'm not sure exactly what it is that he got me, but he did pick something from my wish list. And I'm super excited because I'm not sure exactly what it is that he got me, and I've been waiting so bad because he wrapped it up as soon as it arrived, and I could not wait anymore to film this video. So let's get straight into today's video. Alright, so he put it here. I can tell my husband wrapped this because it's not like A for effort. He really tried. It's so cute. Alright, let's see. So there's a bunch of things that I had on that wish list, so I'm really excited to see what of all the handbags that I had in my wish list that my husband chose for me. So let's see what it is. Like, wow, how much tape did he use? He wrapped this so like thick. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Alright. Wrapping paper off. Oh damn, I might need scissors. Alright. Ooh, so exciting. As per usual, I've got the Fashion File nail file. I like my money where I can see it, hanging in my closet. Love that it says that right on the nail file. I got the new calendar for 2022, so that's great. Always need a calendar. Moment of truth, I still don't know what it is. Okay, I still have no idea what this is. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Alright, let's experience this. Oh, okay. Just from the shape. I got the Petite Malle. Oh my god, guys. If you saw my Louis Vuitton wishlist video, then you'll know that this bag has been on my wish list for years, and I never got it because it's just so pricey. And I had a backup bag that I really liked that I was gonna get instead of this one because it was like half the price, but now I have this one and I'm so excited. It's beautiful. Let's look at it together. Okay. There's the certificate of authenticity from Fashion File. Oh, this looks great. It's in really good condition too. Like, I'm looking at the hardware. Okay, so for those of you that aren't familiar with the bag, you pinch here and then this part lifts up, opens up. I wonder if things could fall out of there. So there you go. Just this big open compartment, a tiny little slip pocket that looks like it could hold a few credit cards. This says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France on the inside. Doesn't look like it can hold an awful lot. I actually don't have my phone on me, so I don't have anything to like show you. It's a water bottle. Okay, yeah, that's not a great example. Doesn't really fit in there, but it looks like it would be able to hold my phone. Wow, this is beautiful. So I definitely like pretty much any of the Petite Malle. It didn't matter if it was the one with the monogram or the reverse monogram or the red one, which I thought was so pretty. I thought this blue one was super cool when I put it in my wish list. I could not be happier. I just feel like this is gonna fit so many things. It has the crossbody strap. Wow, oh my god, I've been wanting this bag for so long, you guys. You have no idea. I might not sound as excited because I lost my voice, but I'm so excited right now. Like, this is amazing. He's like right outside the room, so I can't wait to like show him that I opened it. Wow, like, this is beautiful. So here's the back. It just looks like a little luggage pretty much. Here's the sides and the front. I mean, look at it. This is just stunning. It is so very gorgeous. Like, I feel like this is such a perfect bag. Honestly, I've been wanting this for so long. This means a lot to me. Wow, I cannot wait to wear this. I'm just gonna wear this around the house, to be honest, because I'm sick. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna wear this around the house. Like, oh my gosh. And I feel like this blue, like, can match everything. You know what I mean? Like, I don't feel like it's a type of blue that, like, is too much of a contrast with any outfit. So I feel like it doesn't matter if I'm wearing, like, red or yellow or anything. Like, I feel like, and plus this has yellow on there, I feel like this can match a lot of different colors. This is so amazing. I'm so extremely grateful for this. Wow. It's honestly, it's great condition too. I think when I had put it in my wish list, it probably was excellent condition. Almost everything that I put in my wish list is usually listed as an excellent condition. And the other bag that I wanted, I forgot the name of it. I'll like insert a picture of it here. It's just as cute, but there's something that I always liked about the shape of this one, that it just actually looks like luggage, you know, and it's so tiny. Like, it's just, it looks so classic and chic to me, so like effortless, just very interesting. To me, this actually looks like art. To me, this isn't just a handbag. This to me always looks like art. Whenever I would see fashion shows and I would see the girls sitting in the front and they would have this bag, it always just looked so much like art instead of like a little handbag. It just, I don't know, it just looks like there's a story there, you know, like a little luggage trunk. I love this bag, so I'm super grateful. I do hope you guys like this video. I'm losing my voice a little bit more, so I think I'm gonna have to cut it short. But if you did, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you all for the next video. I hope you're all having a very happy holiday season. Bye everyone.